It's the start of a chicken coop. There we go. Yes, sir. Gonna start that boy up. We're gonna get these chickens, get the egg a day. Yeah, no more I'm boycotting. Boycotting who? What? The people who don't care about us, don't treat us right. Who may that be? Huh? I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Yes. Grow your own produce. Get your own chickens. Free wood from any pallet source. Free, any pallet source. You can either recycle those nails, screws, or go get you a $30 drill and or $10 box of nails. Yeah, start farming your own chickens in. Yep, that's just a mock-up. We're almost there.